everyone, welcome you guys in day 14. We are doing 14-day weight loss challenge. So guys, we are at the last session, that is day 14. So many of you are doing these challenges and I am getting your response. So thank you so much for completing all these challenges. Also you are getting the result, so that's again a big point to get the result. So get result is all about two changes in your body, like you are feeling strengthened, you get some good shape, some of has getting flat tummy. So it's up to you how you want to change your body. Also guys, focus on your diet while you are doing this workout, so keep healthy food. Congratulations all of you guys for creating new habit and for consistency till 14. After this 14-day challenge, so guys, you don't need to stop. Continue with your all workouts that I have already uploaded here. So continue with all the workouts. You don't need to stop anywhere. Okay, so today we are going to do some of full body workout where I have included some different exercises as usual. So let's get started with today's workout. Alright guys, so we are starting with today's workout, but before to workout, as usual, we will start with today's warm-up. So in warm-up, we have total 3 exercises where we are going to work, try to increase heart rate up, then we will do main workout. Okay, so let's get started with the spot jogging for 30 seconds and go. Very nice. Keep breathing. Just go with your toe and try to feel and try to heart rate up. Very nice. Good. Good. Keep breathing. So our next movement is hip bridge. So for that you have to go down. So go on the ground. Yeah. So lay down on the ground. Keep your hands above your hip. Now try to keep your hip up and down. Up and down. Very nice. So we'll do this movement for 30 seconds and go. Keep breathing. Very nice. Good. Focus on your glutes because we are only doing for this movement for your glutes engagement. Yeah. Keep doing. Very nice. Last 10 seconds. And 1. Relax. Alright, so our next movement is squat knee drop. So guys, for that you have to come in the squat position. Okay? Keep your chest straight, back straight, chest up. Keep your hands straight and try to drop your knees. Very nice. We'll do this movement for 30 seconds. Let's go. Good. Very nice. Keep doing. Last 10 seconds. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Alright guys, so after completion of your warm-up round, you can do one more round if you are not feeling warm-up. Okay, so now we will do today's main workout. In today's main workout, we have total 3 exercises and 3 rounds. So make sure guys, you are doing 3 rounds of all the movements. If you feel you want more advanced, so just go with the 4 rounds or 5 rounds. So make it a timer. So keep your timer for 10 minutes and you need to complete 4 to 5 rounds to make it intense. Okay, so let's get started with today's exercise. It's a squat. So that is called air squat. So how we will do? So guys, we'll try to open our legs, toe out, and we'll try to keep chest up, back straight while we are going down. Also knee should be in line with the toe while you are going down. Okay, so let's go. So we'll go down and up. Very nice. You got the movement? Let's do this movement for 30 seconds and go. Good. Keep breathing. Good. Very nice. Keep breathing, guys. Last. Second rest. Now we will do our second movement. The second movement is sit up. So for that you have to go down. Okay. So guys, I really like sit ups. But again, many of you feel like it is coming on your back. So while you feel it is coming on your back, just stop there. Because it's a core exercise. It's not for your back. Okay. So make sure guys, whenever you do sit ups, it shouldn't come on your back. Okay. So let's get started. So first I'll show you the movement, how we will do. Okay, so we'll try to keep our legs bent and we'll try to go forward and down. Okay, now let's go for 30 seconds and go. Very nice. Take the energy from core. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take your 15-second rest. After completion of your sit-ups, now we will do push-ups. So guys, push-ups is all about to strengthen your upper body. So whenever you do push-up, focus on your strengthen your upper body, and it's a very amazing exercise for your upper. Like I love push-ups actually. Previously I was very afraid like how I will do push-up because I don't know, and even I don't have strength. But once I started learning about push-up, it makes me more interesting. Seriously guys, it's gonna be very amazing for all of you. Not for boys, for girls as well. So even I'm talking only for girls right now. Boys do a lot of different movements. Even I also do with the dumbbells, with the chest press and barbell. But push-ups is everything. Okay, so guys, I'll show you the movement how we can do. So keep your hands here. Knee should be bent. Keep your core tight. Your hands will be in line with your chest. Okay? Now we'll go down and up. We'll go down and up. We'll go down and up. Yeah. So this is the knee push-ups. The regular one, the people who are good with the regular one, so they can go with this. Down and up. Okay. So guys, you guys can go with the knee push-ups. I am doing here with the normal push-ups. Okay? So let's go for 30 seconds. Now knee push-ups. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take your 15-second rest. Guys, so we have completed with today's workout. Today we have 3 exercises. So make sure guys, whenever you do all the movements, so complete at least 2 to 3 rounds. It's very important to complete 3 or 4, 3, at least 3. It should be 3, not 2. just go with 3 rounds, ends with 4 rounds. Okay, so I am ending this session here. Now we will do some of stretching portions so that your body will be stretched from all the portions. Also you will feel mobilized from your joints. Okay, so let's get started with the child pose. So come into the bended knee bend position. Now we'll try to reach forward and look down. Keep breathing. Relax your body. Control. Very nice. And relax. Take a deep breath and relax yourself. Okay, so our next movement is, so keep your legs straight. Okay, now cross your one leg and try to push it towards your chest. Yeah, so you will feel engagement in your hamstring. So guys, at this portion you will feel, but you will, if you are using this leg, so you will feel at the other side. Okay, very nice. Keep breathing. I'm feeling sweaty in one round already, but I will complete 2 to 3 rounds or else. And now switch. Yeah, so at this portion you will feel stretch, and it's very good movement for your mobilizing. So it's very good movement for your stretching. So it's very good movement for your stretching. Yeah, take a deep breath and relax. Okay guys, so we have completed our stretching round as well. Alright guys, so we have completed today's workout. So today's workout was full body and we did a lot of different movements. So guys, I believe you all are doing all the movements, all the videos which I uploaded on my YouTube channel from day 1 to day 14. So do not forget to all the movements, and guys, start from day 1 because it's very effective exercises, very effective challenges for you guys only. So do not forget to do all these movements from day 1 to day 14 because every workout has a challenge. Every workout is based for particular muscles. So guys, at the end, do not forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you will get the notification of my upcoming video. Upcoming video is gonna be very interesting for all of you. It's not a challenge, it's information about the exercise. Many of you doing exercise but you are not getting results. It has a different problems to not get the result or to not get the fit. So I'll make a particular video for that. So till then, stay tuned with me. Also the people who have completed all these challenges or you are trying these challenges from day 1, so do not forget to share your completion picture. So you can take a selfie or any video, any picture of your exercise and share with me on my Instagram channel. So my Instagram ID is Zumba Priyanka. Alright, till then guys, I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye.